Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to jack up a Jaguar Xf. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels before lifting. Locate the manufacturer lift points under the sill and near the jacking pad to avoid body damage. Position the floor jack securely under the lift point and raise slowly until the tire clears the ground. Always support the car with axle stands before working underneath for safety and stability. Begin by aligning the jack saddle with the designated lift point on the Jaguar Xf, keeping the jack centered to avoid slipping. Pump the jack slowly and monitor the car's movement, stopping if anything shifts oddly. Once the wheel clears, place an axle stand under a sturdy frame location, lower the car onto the stand, and confirm the stand bears the weight before removing the jack. Always double-check stability before working under the car. Safety matters more than speed when lifting a Jaguar Xf, so take your time and follow steps precisely. Use axle stands rated for the vehicle weight and confirm they sit on solid level ground. Keep tools organized and avoid sudden movements that could shift the car. If you notice rusted pinch welds or unclear lift points, stop and seek professional help rather than risking damage or injury. Safety prevents costly mistakes and keeps you secure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.